Hello gentlemen, and welcome to yet another episode of the Gentleman's Club. I'm your host Marc.antomattei, and I have a very good video in store for you today. Now, one of the earliest videos that I've ever conducted on the Gentleman's Club YouTube channel was about a shaving mug from Old Spice. This was the very first shaving mug ever released by Old Spice, and it was made in Crooksville, Ohio in the year 1938 by this company called A.E. Whole Pottery. So I bought that shaving mug and I conducted a video over it. That shaving mug today is valued at about $100 US, and that is one of the pieces that I keep inside of my shaving collection. Well, recently I decided to travel from Tokyo to Hampton, Virginia to visit my father here for the month of March, and I'm inside the United States for the duration of the whole month of March. And me and my father went out shopping together, and we visited this Goodwill in Newport News, Virginia, just right off of Route 17. At this Goodwill for $2, I found an Old Spice shaving mug that I bought for my father as a gift to put alongside his already standing collection of shaving mugs inside of his man cave bathroom. The special thing about this shaving mug is that it is the 5th Old Spice shaving mug to ever be released, and this one came out in the year 1950. Whereas the first 3 Old Spice shaving mugs were made by this company called Whole Pottery, and it was outsourced to Whole Pottery to make those mugs, the next 2, meaning mugs 4 and 5, were made by the Shulton Company, which is the company that actually produces the Old Spice colognes and aftershaves and things of that nature. So in the late 1940s, when Shulton had opened up a plant in Clifton, New Jersey, they produced these mugs and their aftershave bottles there. As you can see, my glass mug is just a little bit faded, but you can still read all the text on it. Looking inside the mug, you can see these small ribs around the inside of the mug that helps hold the soap in place. This was the first shaving mug to ever have these ribs inside of the glass. According to Old Spice Collectibles.com, this mug can hold a 5-ounce cake of shaving soap. And although this mug was very cheap for me at this Goodwill at the price of $2, just a quick look on eBay will show that at the very cheapest, this mug will sell for $10, and at the most, about $50 US. I'm very glad to have purchased this, and although I would have liked to have added it to my collection, I thought it was a very nice gift to present to my father to have as a keepsake from my visitation to him this time around. Alright gentlemen, that about wraps up this video. I thank you for watching as usual. Please stay tuned as I'm getting ready to go to New York soon, but I'll still have a couple of videos left to show from my stay here in Hampton, Virginia, and then it will be back to Tokyo at the end of March. I thank you for watching, and until next time gentlemen, keep it classy.